Meron umanong $82 account si Chief Justice Renato Corona. Yan ang isiniwalat ni Ombudsman Conchita Carpio Morales sa pagsalang niya bilang testigo sa impeachment court kahapon. Sagot naman ng punong maestrado, handa raw niyang patunayang walang katotohanan ng testimonya ng Ombudsman. May news to go, si Sherry Ann Torres.
The Chief Justice has at least $10 million in transactional balances. He has 82 US dollar accounts in 5 banks. There were significant deposits and withdrawals on very significant dates, including the 2004 and 2007 elections, as well as the week he was impeached.
Ito ang inilahad ni Ombudsman Conchita Carpio Morales sa kanyang pagsalang bilang hostile witness ng depensa sa impeachment trial ni Chief Justice Renato Corona.
In my computation, which was arrived at with the assistance of CPA lawyers, is that his fresh deposits, which means fresh deposits, they never moved, they remained in that particular account, amounted to more than $12 million.
Ayon kay Morales, nanggaling daw ang suma total ng halagang yan mula sa $82 account umano ni Chief Justice Corona sa 5 bangko. Mula sa $1 account noong 2003, umakyat daw sa $82 account ng punong maestrado noong 2011. Ipinunto pa ni Morales na kapansin-pansin umano ang circuitous fund movement o paikot na paggalaw ng pera sa mga dollar account umano ni Corona. Sabi ni Morales, nakuha raw niya ang datos ng bank accounts umano ni Corona mula sa 17 pahina report ni Vicente Aquino, Executive Director ng Anti-Money Laundering Council. Humingi raw siya ng tulong sa AMLAC para sa fact-finding investigation matapos matanggap ang una sa 3 reklamo laban kay Corona kaugnay sa umano'y dollar accounts. Ito'y kahit pa walang nabanggit sa anuman sa 3 reklamo kaugnay sa umano'y $10 billion bank account. At nang makuha ang report ng AMLAC, saka raw sumulat ang ombudsman sa punong maestrado nitong April 20.
There is nothing in the complaint relative to what you wanted to be investigated, and that is the $10 million account.
Precisely, Your Honor. Again, I sound like a broken record. I said, furthermore, we received report that the Chief Justice has $10 million. And that report was based on the report that was given to me by the AMLAC.
Nang makuha ang report ng AMLAC, humingi naman ng tulong ang Ombudsman mula sa Commission on Audit para sa komputasyon ng halagang nakapanoob sa mga transaksyon. Isa sa mga tumulong sa Ombudsman ay si COA Commissioner Heidi Mendoza.
From April of 2003 to December of 2011, we analyzed a total of 423 transactions over 82 accounts, all in the name of the respondent. The peso account, I was told, reached around 242 million pesos. This one is 30 million outflow for dollar account and total inflow of at least 28 million. Our classification is based on the analysis, on the findings. So
December, do you have the number for the entire month of December 2011?
Yes, but we did it on a per account per year, Your Honors. I'm sorry. I did it on a per month basis. I did it on a per account per year basis.
Bago na idetalye ni Morales ang laman ng AMLAC report, iginiit ng depensa na ang usapin ng umano'y $10 million account ni Corona ay hindi naman nakapaloob sa articles of impeachment.
There is nothing in that impeachment complaint which deals with this $10 million account that you mentioned. Am I right?
I am not supposed to remember all those articles of impeachment.
I'm not asking.
If it is not, with more reason, I should conduct further investigation.
I see. And the idea is for impeachment also?
Possibly for impeachment in December.
Sinubukan pang harangin ni Lead Defense Counsel Serafin Cuevas ang pagpapakita ng PowerPoint presentation ni Ombudsman Morales. Pero tumayo si Senadora Miriam Defensor Santiago.
The primary rule in the rules of evidence is relevancy. As long as evidence is relevant, it is admissible in court. There is no prohibition in the rules of evidence of a PowerPoint presentation. There is no categorical prohibition of such means of introducing evidence. If there's a need for voting, I vote therefore for the PowerPoint presentation.
Bumoto ang impeachment court pabor sa pagpapakita ng PowerPoint presentation.
We will wait until the day of the verdict, but now we are confident. No? This is yeah, this is more than what we thought.
Wala naman silang practice kaya hindi sila na marunong mag-strategy. Para lang tinanong mo yun, paano ba ang panganganak? Hindi wala namang asawa, hindi naman naglili, paano manganganak?
Sa isang pahayag, tinawag namang malisyoso ni Chief Justice Corona ang testimonya ng Ombudsman. Ridiculous nga raw ang bilang ng bank account na binanggit ni Morales. Ang kanyang PowerPoint presentation naman, lantern of lies daw ayon sa punong maestrado. Posibleng hindi raw alam ni Morales ang kanyang pinagsasasabi o di kaya sadyang nililin lang umano ang impeachment court at ang publiko. Handa raw ang depensang pabulaanan ang mga numerong iniharap ng Ombudsman. At oras daw na mapatunayang mali si Morales, hinamon siya ni Corona na magbitiw agad sa pwesto dahil hinayaan umano niya ang kanyang sarili na magamit daw ng administrasyon. Sherian Torres, GMA News.